Hello traders, welcome to this channel. Those of us who are still trading on mobile, I have a strategy for you. In fact, it's going to be a reminder because I shared this strategy before in my channel, started trading it early last year, early 2023. So I've been trading it, it still works. So I want to just remind you this strategy. In fact, there are two strategies that I've been using last year, good strategies. The other one, we'll talk about it some other time. It's the parabolic strategy, a very good strategy. It's also in this channel. So for today, I want to remind you the RSI strategy because it's so powerful. It still works. What I will do is let me move to the okay. Before I show you the strategy, traders, those of you who are still new looking for a broker, I recommend FXView. It's got really low spreads. It's multi-regulated. See that it's an award-winning broker. These are the deposit and withdrawal methods. You can also use your USDT via the TRC20 network. And another thing, traders, FXView is the platinum sponsor in exhibiting in IFX Expo, which is held in Dubai. So this year it's from 16 to 18 January. So FXView partners, you can go there. I hope you got your emails to meet up with the FXView team. Let's go to the strategy. I want to explain it. I want to set it up right here on MT4. So the first thing, let's set up the RSI on the main chart. Let's add the RSI. Right here you have a relative strength index. So the setup is very simple. You have period 1 applied to close. The style is 1 pixel. The levels, you have level 91, 90, 80, 20, 10 and 9. Okay, you set them up there and then you go back, you click done. Okay, let's go back to the main chart. See, it should appear as you can see down there. And then now we have to set up the moving envelope. I hope you guys still remember this strategy. So let's go to the F function again. Let's go to indicator window 1 this time around. And then let's go to envelopes down there, or let me say up there. Just set up this that you see on the screen. It's period 1, shift 0, deviation 0. Method is exponential, apply to close, and then you set those bands as you can see and click done. Let's go to the main screen. So this is the strategy, traders. Now to trade the strategy, I hope you still remember the first rule is to trade during the London and New York sessions. The reason is simple. For most of the currency pairs, you will realize that they will only move during those sessions. Let me show you. Let's go to trading view here on my mobile. Okay, so the two boxes that you have on the screen, okay, it's refreshing. These two boxes, I'm not sure if you can clearly see. You have the London and you have the New York session. So for you is to make a research based on your location when the London session opens, so that just let me say 1 or 2 hours after the London session, you come and look for entries. Let me show you a few more examples that this pair will move during the London sessions. Okay, let's take this one. Notice that price moves right there on those boxes, and then it's ranging, and then it moves again in those boxes. Those boxes are the London sessions. Let's take another one. Okay, let's take another one here. Notice that this pair makes a move within the two boxes. Right from the beginning, it shoots up, and then it ranges, and then it shoots up again in those boxes. So that's why this strategy works best when you trade it during the London and the New York session. So let's go back to the strategy. So on the strategy, traders, it's very simple. 1 or 2 hours after the London session has opened, you go through the currency pairs. So you go through all those currency pairs, and what you look for, it's places where price has touched the 90-line level or the 9-line level. Once price has touched the 9-line level and is on its way to the top or is above the 20-line level, the next thing that you do on the main screen, what you wanna see, okay, let's say price was moving downwards like that. What you focus on is the last turning point that price has made while it was moving downwards. And then once you note that last turning point, you highlight it like that and make sure that while price is moving towards the top, it closes above that last turning point. So for example, right here, let me show you. You have price coming to touch the 9-line level down there, and then notice that that was your last turning point. I'm not sure if I should take it to the 5-minute time frame, but note that that was the last turning point pointed by the arrow, and then price came to close above it. So when price came to close above it, you would take a buy. Maybe let me show you another example for a sell. So right here you have a sell example. Notice what I'm doing, traders. You move it back and forth. If it is not moving away from the 90-line level up there, it is a valid signal. So whenever you open a chart, you move it like that. If it doesn't move, it's a valid signal. So the next thing that you want to do, remember that you want to find a sell entry. Price has already touched up there and it's now heading downwards. Now you have to do your analysis on the top. So what you do on the top, you want to find the place where price made the last turning point, and it is on that region. So what you do is you mark it to the left, towards your right, and then the moment price closes below this key level that you have marked, you take your sell trade and you hold. The strategy is as easy as that. Just watch this video again and again. Practice. The market is opening tomorrow. It's a Monday. Apply the strategy, whether on a demo account, just to practice. If it works for you, make sure to use it. For me, traders, I've made some cash with this strategy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you have not done so.